Hey garden friend, welcome back to Dirt Decoded, Smarter Soil, Better Gardens. I'm the Soil Doctor, and today we're exploring one of the most natural, time-tested ways to boost your garden's health, companion planting. If you've ever wondered why some plants seem to thrive next to each other while others struggle, this is for you. So, what is companion planting? At its core, it's the practice of growing certain plants close together because they help each other out. It's nature's version of teamwork. Some plants repel pests, others improve soil nutrients, and a few even help their neighbors grow stronger or taste better. Let's start with some classic pairings you can try in your own garden. Tomatoes and basil. These two are a match made in garden heaven. Basil helps keep pests like aphids and tomato hornworms away, and some gardeners swear it makes tomatoes taste even better. Plus, it looks beautiful growing side by side. Carrots and onions. These root veggies protect each other. Onions release a scent that confuses carrot flies, while carrots help break up the soil for better root development. It's a great combo for small spaces. Corn, beans, and squash, known as the Three Sisters. This trio comes from Native American tradition. Corn acts as a natural pole for beans to climb. Beans fix nitrogen in the soil, feeding both corn and squash spreads out wide, covering the ground to keep weeds and moisture in check. Cabbage and dill. Dill attracts ladybugs and parasitic wasps, natural enemies of cabbage worms and aphids. This makes it a perfect ally in your leafy green section. Now, it's just as important to know what not to plant together. Tomatoes and corn both attract the same pests, especially corn earworms and tomato fruitworms, so they're best kept apart. Beans and onions don't get along. Onions can stunt the growth of beans. Cucumbers and aromatic herbs like sage or rosemary may interfere with cucumber growth. Here are a few quick tips to make the most of companion planting. Don't overcrowd. Just because two plants pair well doesn't mean they can be crammed into a tight space. They still need breathing room. Observe and adjust. Every garden is unique. Watch how your plants respond and learn from your space. Mix in flowers like marigolds or nasturtiums. They don't just add color, they attract pollinators and confuse pests. The beauty of companion planting is that it creates balance. Less need for chemicals, fewer pests, healthier harvests. So, if you're just starting out, pick one or two pairings this season and try them out. You'll be amazed at what a little plant teamwork can do. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more garden wisdom from Dirt Decoded. I'm the Soil Doctor, and remember, healthy soil, happy garden. See you next time.